Today, we're doing some tests on the stabilization between this Hero 7 and this Osmo Action. Let's get started. So we want to test out the stabilization on these. However, what we need to do before that is gauge it. See what they look like without stabilization. And the best way to do that is my buddy here. Oops. And the best way to do that is my buddy here, Gary. Now, Gary cuts about 85% of my lawn, and it's something that I'm testing out, so more on him later. But what we want to do is get these cameras on here and do that first step, and then we'll go ahead and do one with the stabilization on. But what I'm not going to do is tell you which camera is which, because I want to see if you can see the difference and pick it out from that, instead of going on the preconceived notion that the GoPro is always better. So this is going to be our unstabilized and stabilized footage test for the Osmo Action and the GoPro Hero 7 Black. And Beth is going to go on with me. This is the mousetrap ride. So this is going to be a lot of fun, right? All right, hold tight, folks. So what did you guys think? Which was camera 1 and which was camera 2? Put your comments down below because I'm about to tell you right now. So camera 1 was the DJI Osmo Action and camera 2 was the GoPro Hero 7. Were you right? Did you guess right? Number 1 and number 2. Well, if that's what you guessed, you were wrong. Sorry. No, actually, camera 1 was the GoPro Hero 7 and camera 2 was the DJI Osmo Action. And honestly, couldn't really tell the difference with stabilization on. However, the GoPro Hero 7, if you go back and watch again, did a damn good job with no stabilization on in some instances. Something that Michael Fire mentioned to me when I showed him the footage. He thought, man, it really did good. After it was all said and done, I thought both did a hell of a job. I don't think you could go wrong if stabilization is your thing. Maybe you found something that you didn't like between the two. Comment down below and let me know. If you guys want to check out the previous video I did about these two cameras, go ahead and click that one right there. And of course, check out this video suggested by YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.